A group of innovative professionals from Gemni have mastered the art of making edible cups with their own machinery, and also excelled in building machines that produce edible cups. Magic cups can withstand hot or cold substances for about 20 to 30 minutes. Be it a fast food like noodles, ice creams, or chocolates, just serve it, plate it, scoop it, or pour it. Worried about taste change? Magic cups are made without glazing. Taste remains the same. That's the magic. A glass may shatter, even with a dull thud, but this magic cup is stronger, for even a 5 feet fall. Most cups are made of polypropylene, polystyrene, low-density polyethylene or paper. The amount of plastic used to make a single cup is a great threat to the environment. Let's talk facts. A plastic bag takes 20 years to decompose. A coffee cup takes 30 years. A plastic water bottle takes 450 years. A plastic straw takes 200 years. A plastic cup takes 450 years. And a paper cup takes 20 years. Yes, you read that right. Paper cup takes 20 years to decompose, due to LDPE coating. Is there any greener way to use cups? Yes. Magic cups. This is the future. Why take the pain to cut trees, when you can just use an edible cup? Usable, eatable, and completely green. Use it for hot or cold food, or just snack it. Save trees, save Earth. Are you a consumer, a business owner, or a manufacturer? Don't know where to get magic cups? It's simple. Just drop in an inquiry at eatitcontainers@gmail.com. Magic cups can be customized in any shape or size. For inquiries related to machines, log on to www.gemni.com. Or you can email us at info@gemni.com. Get your magic cup today, and do your part to save the environment.